Gerber diesel, black diesel multi-tool, or what it says on the cover, multi-plier, right there. The sheath is made out of nylon, and it is a little bit bigger than the tool. And there is a belt loop on the back. The sheath is black, and the name of the multi-tool on it, and it's Gerber. And it's one hand opening, and it is not spring loaded, but you can use your finger right there. It has, in the inside, it has first a knife blade, and it works really good. A file, really good file. It's for wood and metal. And all these tools do lock. There is a bottle opener, can opener, screwdriver, or Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. On the other side, there is a saw, and I have tested that, and it works good. Scissors, these, and that's all. But right, let's talk about these. They have a bolt tightener or loosener right there, and tip right there for removing hooks from fish and stuff, and it is good. And there's a wire cutter and a wire crimper right there, and it's all. And all the things on this is made out of steel, except these. These are made out of plastic, but there is a metal piece right there to, if this plastic piece breaks, you can still use that. And the locking, the older one, the regular one, not the black, it was plastic right there, and a bunch of other ones too. This one's a lot better, and it opens a lot quicker. And that's a Gerber diesel multiplier.